Forex trading is not as difficult as you think. It's just for you to have a proper knowledge of the market. It's just for you to get a good, profitable strategy, master risk management, and master psychology. Then you are good to go. Have a proper knowledge of the market. Make things simple for yourself. Simplify everything for yourself. So as you can see, I've been using one particular type of setup, which has been very profitable. I've not switched from one setup to another or one strategy to another. That is how it should be if you want to be profitable. I remember back then when I used to jump from one strategy to another. I don't have risk management. I don't even know what I'm trading. I might just enter the chart. I'll click the buy button or I'll click the sell button. That was uh, that was the major part of my unprofitability. So many factors involved until I sat myself down. Um, I decided to stick to one thing, stick to one strategy. The strategy I was sticking to, I discovered that it was a very profitable strategy. Yes, after back testing or for testing, so I checked the win rate of the strategy. I stick to one strategy. Then I learned proper risk management and mastered my psychology. These are the three powerful components you need to be profitable. Forex is not as difficult as you think. So let me walk you through the trade I took on BTC. This was the daily time frame. Although I used snapper entry on this trade, I just used my stop loss was not this big. So for those people that use aggressive entry, that was why I made the setup like this. So my risk to reward was higher than this. So let me walk you through the trade I took on BTC. You can see the recent break of structure to the upside. This was the recent break of structure to the upside. In this scenario, BTC was bullish. So I map out the recent break of structure to the upside. Then this was the fair value gap and liquidity. So after price tapped into it, this was the second entry. This was the second way entry. This is my liquidity intact. So when price tapped into it, I went down to the smaller time frame to look for a market structure shift. Without wasting much of your time, I looked for a market structure shift. My stop loss was tighter than this, but I just did the stop loss like this for everything to be simplified. So after waiting for my market structure shift, I jumped into this trade, and you can see the beautiful take profit has been smashed. So it was just as easy as that. It's not that complicated. All you have to do is to have the patience to wait for your setup to form. Have that patience to wait. Waiting is very important. Waiting is very important in forex trading. So have the patience to wait for your setup to form. When you see your setup, then do not click the buy or sell button if you do not see your setup. Then when you see your setup, you know that okay, all my conferences is intact. You can click the buy or the sell button. If it's a sell setup, you can click the sell button. If it's a buy setup, you can click the buy button. So for more videos like this, don't forget to follow me up for more.